So we are now at Chikihole Reservoir Dam. We thought that we have never come here, but after coming here we actually recalled no, first time maybe we were here. And my health has started deteriorating. I took a small power nap of 5-10 minutes in the car. And so I'm a little bit okay now. Let's go.
What recent? 7 people died here.
How they died here?
Where?
Swimming.
Where 7 people died?
Yeah. Point number 3. I think এখান থেকে গেছে হবে এখান থেকে সুইমিং করতে করতে
Slippery stones.
এই দেখো এখান থেকে
Did you swim?
you will go down.
See, only pillars are there and gaps are there.
It's not like in Krishnagiri Dam. Krishnagiri Dam we had a wall. There's no here no wall.
No wall also.
It's just
Krishna.
they have put
And it's full slant.
how many
And
people
rocky.
died? 7 people died.
No, 1,000.
How many people died?
Yes.
Duck died. Duck?
Duck also died.
No. Is the water?
Because there is a crocodile also in the water.
No, crocodile died.
I think to scare the people they have put.
No. It might happen also. Never know.
When I was small, no, like you, I used to collect this kind of matchbox. We used to play this kind of things. We used to collect different type of matchbox and we used to play. We were like so idiot that time.
No, that's the fire can come now.
We used to collect the.
No, only the matchbox.
And we
There
had to
were
cut the
there were
photo.
no matchsticks. No, he wants to throw stone. Wait for 5 minutes. He'll.
Man, I throw from there.
Wait.
Oi!
Ready.
Very good. It didn't go till water only, no? রায়ন গ্যাপগুলো বড় বড় আছে
No, there is a handle. You see, there is a handle there. That right side.
Push and that will go. Maybe fall.
Not fall. See, this is reservoir. That one we missed last time.
Yay! Let's go.
Okay, so we have spotted the reservoir. Let's go there.
I'm careful. Wait karo. Wait karo.
আর ওয়েট করবে না ওকে আরেকটা ফুট
Water? Huh? Where you are going?
Where they are going, I'm not sure, Baba. ধাক্কা মারবি না আমি ক্যামেরাটাকে এরকম রেখেছি
There was all the kinds of put in just.
বলছে where they are going the water.
He's going to go. What nice way, na?
Maybe they are collecting the water somewhere. Huh? No, reservoir. That's what the purpose of a reservoir, right?
Yeah.
Ryan, don't lean. Height is too much. Wait. Don't go there. Come here. Why do you want to go there?
Sit here.
Oh, you can sit here.
I
চলো চলো।
Finally, we have come here and we will take a U-turn here. It's not like that we want to go somewhere. We just wanted to see this place. We can go further that side, but I don't want to go.
Dubare Elephant Camp boat ticket queue. Ryan, come. Ryan के धरो.
वो देखबे ना. হাতি বাদ করছে আরে বাহ
ধাক্কা মেরে দেবে
চলো
চলো কাছে এসে দেখবি আয় আয় কাছে এসে দেখ বাবা দেখ কান ফান সব চান করে দিচ্ছে 1 person 100 rupees. করতে তো চাও বাট ওরা যদি না করায় জোর করে কি করে করবে বলো फोर 37 नहीं होगा 4:30 PM 4:30 बजे से होगा कहाँ पे है टिकट
वेट करो मैडम
সরে যা ফিডিং 1 সেকেন্ড দাও কিছু হবে না যা 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 টাচ করো কিছু হবে না যাও और তোমার মাথায় করবে তো মাথায় করবে इसके सर के ऊपर रखता है ट्रंक छोड़ा कान से देखो I don't know why he is crying
और अगेन थोड़ा नहीं नामी होनी चाहिए फॉलो करो
हाँ
Go, 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 go.
मुंह में डालो मुंह में
Good job. An unfortunate news, they have stopped the elephant riding. Don't know why. So we just did the feeding sessions with the elephant, as well as we have touched the elephant. It's very cute. Now we are just taking a stroll around this elephant camp, and then we'll head out to Bangalore.
देखो चेन
লাগাইনি খালি পাতা করলে কি হবে
পায়ে চেন লাগিয়েছে
ও যদি নিজের ইচ্ছা মতো যায় না, এখানে সব মানুষ মরে যাবে। করো, স্প্ল্যাশ করো।
কোথা আছে তো রাস্তা
এই পুরো কাক ভেজা লাগছে, কাক ভেজা। So now Ryan's dress has been changed. Ryan? Yes. And
but I do want to do but he only do say to everyone
okay.
scold to him scold
to scold her
Okay.
scold mommy
So yes, I have done a unpardonable mistake to change Ryan's clothes just because it was wet. So people should scold me, it seems. That's fine. So now we'll head out straight to Bangalore, and we might not stop in between, maybe just for dinner because we just had snacks now. And that's it. So I would like to end the video right now. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And see you in my next video. Bye.